that built Collab Cafe. Let's all give a round of applause to Coco Tamura, co-founder and COO of Collab.
Thank you so much. So, thank you for everyone who attended today. And Ate Balette, I've been friends with Ate Balette for 15 years.
Thank you.
15 years. And of course, yan si Steph, yung very proactive namin. So, yan. More years. Huwag na natin panggitin. Okay. So, yeah. So, I would like to thank everyone who attended here. For me, I just wanted to share with you this milestone that we have right now. For launching Collab. So, as you know, Collab is actually a collaborative lounge. No? So, far from the usual, actually we tried to tweak yung nature ng co-working space wherein you will have to pay for the seat. No? For us, we wanted actually to create here a community. So when we conceptualized Collab, we wanted to focus on the community that we're going to build. Kaya we don't really want to charge by the seat that we have. No? Ang ano lang namin lagi sa mga customers namin, sa mga guests namin is please support the bar. Yan lang. If you support the bar, then we will be able to also sustain whatever we have here. We will be able to maintain it, and we can actually share it to more people. So that's what actually the collaboration space is all about. So nakalagay nga dito, no competition, just collaboration. So this is the community that we are aiming to build. So sana, as we have our, on what we do here, we wanted to provide actually the materials. So yun nga, kanina I was discussing. We have our materials here that actually can be used for free. So anyone who comes here, whether they want to have an inspiration about their next project, or whether they want to have a photo shoot for their products, so they can actually use these materials, basta within the space now. And we also wanted to connect people. So like today, we invited everyone here, and actually the goal here is for you guys to connect with each other, to network. And of course, in the future, we will be able to also collaborate. So yun nga, I've spoken with different people kanina. So, may mga nabubuo na tayong ideas, may mga nabubuo na tayong concepts that we can probably work on after this event. So that's the goal of the entire space. So yun nga, na-mention ko kanina, our mission is actually to build a community with a vision of no competition, just collaboration. Okay? So yun. I just wanted also to introduce to you, so this is our designer. This is actually a product of collaboration with a Chinese designer. So his name is Joy Cho. So actually the inspiration he has for most of his design is with, in relation to water. So makikita nyo from there, when you enter, yung flow talaga ng space is very continuous. No? So that's what we wanted to share with him kasi nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. We wanted for him to parang interpret our goal, which is to basically give a flowing parang source of inspiration here, no, for creativity. So that, kaya ito yung naging product niya. Yeah. So, and then, of course, this space will not be built on its own. Kung design lang ni Mr. Joy yung meron kami. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to also introduce our team. So for, of course, Ms. Karen Kui. So, in Collab. So of course, myself. And hindi na naman mabubuo yung team namin without the support of our Ms. Gail. And so actually sila yung support system namin here. No? Kung wala sila, wala kami rin mabubuo. Then yeah, so just to introduce our space on detail. So as I mentioned, this is the material library. And we have actually the breakthrough tables. So itong mga tables na to, we really give thought into it. No? We wanted the circular tables talaga to be able to make it more parang conducive to brainstorming, to discussions. Yeah. We have a collaboration corner there. closer. So medyo mas relax yung vibe niya, kaya naglagay din kami ng couch. And then, of course, the meeting room. Actually, that meeting room can be converted into a private space. Yan. So, this one, I think, hindi masyado na nagagamit in usual spaces, but we have a movable wall there. No? So, kapag kailangan ng guest namin ng privacy when they want a meeting, so we can enclose it. And of course, we have the quiet booths. So, kanina, dun sa main, going towards the back. So, those are the quiet pods. Yun naman, for halimbawa, solo ka lang or you want to have your Zoom meetings, so pwede mo yung gamitin. Yan. We also rent out, of course, the entire space. So the entire space is basically, we have several events already lined up. Yan. But we also rent out the meeting rooms and the quiet booths. So ito lang naman yung if you want privacy and if you want exclusivity of the space. But in everyday scenario, you can actually freely come here anytime, basta may space. We actually encourage people to share tables and chairs. Yun. Kasi nga, the goal here is to collab, no? Not to have a division with the people that's coming in. Of course, collab bar. So, syempre, pag nandito sila, they're gonna have to enjoy working, no? So, dapat meron din fuel, no? For the body naman. So, here naman, so we chose actually a state-of-the-art espresso machine, so it's Sanremo. And we actually purposely used local beans. So our espresso is Sagada beans, and then our brewed coffee is Kaping Barak. So we wanted to support local beans. So we came from different projects wherein we handled international brands. Of course, ngayon, we wanted to focus on what we can offer naman in the local scene, no? Especially with coffee. Yeah. And this is our, we're very proud of this. So if you have a chance later, please do. Kung medyo sweet tooth din kayo. I think this is something that you want to, you can try, no? If you're up to it. So basically, this is a concoction of yema, no? And of course, roasted pinipig on top. So it will give you that medyo familiar Filipino taste, no, ng yema. But at the same time, merong konting twist because of the roasted aroma that the pinipig offers. Okay. Yeah. So here, as I mentioned, this is a community that we're trying to build. So we also offer, if ever guests would like to be a member of this space, pwede naman. So we welcome walk-ins, but of course, if you're a member here, you will be able to enjoy much more perks, no, and privileges. So yan. So we call it the collaborator. So sabi nga kanina ni Brent, no, for today, he's gonna be a collaborator. But I hope in the next few days or months, collaborator ka pa din. Yeah. So here naman, so we have complimentary drinks for collaborators. Of course, member discounts. We actually provide up to 30% discount for members. And then exclusive event access. So if you have events coming up, later on, I will also introduce an event that we're gonna have this June to August. Yeah. And then collab matching. So kanina I was also explaining, we have different partners here, and if there are architects, designers who want to partner with them, we'll be happy to match you up with them. Yeah. Exclusive promo and inclusion in the collab community. So ito yung mga perks lang, no? Very lang naman siya. So we have the gold membership, which you could get actually up to 20% discount, and the black membership. So later on, Ms. Karen will explain to you that actually collab is actually a culmination of all our companies also. So yun, kapag customer ka or client ka ng ibang mga nasa umbrella company, you can have a black membership. And this entitles you to up to 30% on your drinks here at Collab, and even 20% discount on the booking fees.